अगर आपके साथ कोई जुल्म कर रहा है, ज़्यादती कर रहा है और आप इंसाफ के लिए नहीं लड़ सकते हो और आपको पता नहीं कि इंसाफ किस तरीके से ले जा सकती है, तो ये वीडियो आपने ज़रूर देखनी है और ये वीडियो खुद समझकर अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करनी है। चलिए इस वीडियो को देखते हैं।
You there, second desk, blue jacket. What is your name?
My name is Alexis.
Alexis, please leave my lecture room. I don't want to see you at one of my lectures ever again.
I don't understand.
I am not going to ask a second time. Thank you. Why are there laws? What are laws for? Anyone?
Social order?
To protect the person's personal rights.
So that you can rely on the government?
Justice? Thank you. Tell me, was I unfair to your classmate just now? Indeed I was. So, why didn't any of you protest? Why didn't any of you try and stop me? Why didn't you want to prevent this injustice? You see, what you have just learnt, you wouldn't have understood in 1,000 hours of lectures unless you lived it. You didn't say anything because you weren't affected yourself. And this attitude speaks against you and against life. You think it doesn't concern you, so it's none of your business. Well, I'm here to say, if you don't help bring about justice, then one day you too may experience injustice, and there will be nobody there to stand before you.
इस वीडियो में आपको साफ बता रहा है कि अगर आप किसी और के लिए जस्टिस नहीं ले सकते हो, आप पर भी ये वक्त आ सकता है। आपकी ज़िंदगी में कभी भी आपके साथ या किसी और के साथ जुल्म हो रहा है तो उसके ख़िलाफ़ खड़े हो जाओ और आखिरी हद तक लड़ो।